Tesla stock looks amazing today, and at the same time it is doing a treacherous move. Yesterday it did a classic technical top sign, a dark cloud cover, and the situation is still critical, but Tesla has yet to break important key points in order to trigger a real correction. So do not fall for this move yet. I will update the most important technical key points you must watch from here. We will study a few scenarios, and by the end of this video you will feel prepared to whatever happens next on Tesla. Welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan. Let's start our multiple time frame analysis on Tesla stock as usual, as we always do in this channel. First, in the 1 hour chart, Tesla is still bullish. We are still doing higher highs, higher lows above the 21 exponential moving average, and this is it. It is still a crystal clear bull trend, short-term wise. In the daily chart over here, mid-term wise, yes, we did a top sign yesterday. We did. That's a fact. We did a classic dark cloud cover candlestick pattern. And although we dropped below yesterday's low for a brief moment this morning, Tesla could not lose the main support level at the 21 EMA over here in the 1 hour chart, so it failed in triggering a sharper correction in the daily chart. Right now, the trend, the bias at least, is still slightly bullish because we have yet to see higher highs, higher lows. I mean, Tesla is just doing a rally, but we don't see a crystal clear pullback to one of the support levels, doing a crystal clear lower high higher than the previous low and then breaking the previous top level. We have yet to see pivot points happening on Tesla right now, so we are just rallying. So in my humble opinion, as a retail trader like everybody else over here, if Tesla corrects, and if it does a crystal clear bullish pattern above a technical support level, be the 155 or the 21 EMA or this gap area over here, any bullish reaction above any support level would be just an opportunity to buy. Why would it be a buy sign? Because the bias is bullish. Tesla would do a bullish reaction above a support level, and the risk-reward ratio would be quite appealing in a scenario like this. Therefore, any pullback would be an opportunity to buy. Right now, Tesla is not correcting. It is trying to correct. It did a top sign yesterday, yes, it did, but it failed in triggering a sharper correction in smaller time frames, so there is no correction on Tesla yet. In fact, if Tesla breaks yesterday's high, it would completely reject this dark cloud cover candlestick pattern over here. Therefore, this pattern was not completely rejected yet, okay? The situation is still critical. Tesla still could correct to lower price levels. However, we are still very bullish in the 1 hour chart, and we have yet to break yesterday's high, meaning as long as we don't break yesterday's high, Tesla will not resume the bullish sentiment. In addition, if we break yesterday's high, Tesla is going to trigger another bullish pivot point, meaning that the bullish bias will not only persist in the 1 hour chart, but it is going to resume in the daily chart, and potentially we are going to break the $182 over here, this resistance level in the daily chart. We could easily break this resistance, and in this scenario, the next target on Tesla is the $200 again, which was a previous resistance level two times and a previous support level once in October 24, 2022. Okay, so this is the next technical target on Tesla if it triggers a crystal clear bullish structure in the 1 hour chart, if it triggers this pivot point in the hourly chart and rejects completely this dark cloud cover candlestick pattern in the daily chart. All right, so if you are bullish on Tesla, this is what you want to see Tesla doing in the next couple of days, all right? You gotta see Tesla reacting above the EMA over here, breaking the 180s in the 1 hour chart and breaking the 182 over here in the daily chart. Then Tesla will most likely retest the $200 again, and then we'll see. Maybe Tesla is going to correct, maybe not. I don't know, I don't need to know in order to trade well, alright? And of course, if you want to trade with the top 5% of traders that can consistently make money while beating this market, join the Top 5% project. The link to my website is in the description of this video. I see some people, they're always assuming, Nathan, you are bearish, Nathan, you are bullish. Guys, first, it is not me, all right? It is Tesla. Sometimes Tesla is bullish, sometimes Tesla is bearish. I will just follow what Tesla is doing. I am the kind of trend follower trader. Sometimes we nail reversals like we did on Tesla. The top 5% nailed the bottom on Tesla over here at 114 down here. So we nailed this incredible movement. But right now, I am quite cautious on Tesla. I'm just waiting for a better, clearer reaction. And if you are you are truly bearish on Tesla, okay? What do you want to see Tesla doing? Well, first, we gotta lose the EMA in the daily chart again, because only if Tesla does that, I believe Tesla is going to resume the bearish sentiment in the weekly chart. In the weekly chart, Tesla is still bearish, okay? And we have yet to see a crystal clear bearish pivot, bullish pivot point, bullish reversal structure. So far, Tesla is bouncing, but maybe if Tesla corrects in the daily chart and does a crystal clear bullish structure in the midterm, this movement will probably spread to longer time frames, meaning the weekly chart, and potentially is going to reinforce our previous reading that Tesla is reversing. Looking at the monthly chart, right now is January 31. We are about to close the month doing a classic piercing line candlestick pattern above a support level over here. So if you are bullish right now, this is what you want to see Tesla doing. You want to see Tesla triggering this piercing line candlestick pattern in the monthly chart. If that happens, well, my dear friends, Tesla is going to fly to much higher levels. The trend will probably reverse in the midterm, will truly reverse in the midterm as well. And we're going to see Tesla breaking the 200, maybe retesting the $300 again up here. So this is a very likely scenario if we trigger this piercing line candlestick pattern. Just remember, guys, what is the technical target of a piercing line candlestick pattern? Well, is the piercing pattern heights projected in the direction of the breakout. And wow, what a coincidence, $300. The next technical resistance is the next technical target for this technical pattern over here. So everything is speaking the same language. Every single one of the time frames on Tesla are speaking the same language. Okay, let's just keep your eyes open at this 21 EMA in the daily chart and to any possible bearish reversal structure in the 1 hour chart as well. And of course, if you are still watching this random Brazilian guy talking about Tesla stock over here for 90 minutes straight, consider subscribing this channel, click on the like button, join the top 5% of traders community. Thank you very much for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.